Alright, you guys, this is how to tighten up your kitchen sink faucet. I count that sometimes they get loose, like right here. This thing starts to move around. So I'll show you guys how to tighten it up real quick. Save you some money. So those screws is what you need to tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. There's one there, and there's one on the other side. So yeah, I mean, all you really need is, a Phillips screwdriver. Try to use a long one like this one, something like this, because it'd just be easier for you to get your arm kind of up there, because as you could see in the picture before, it's kind of way up there. So this will just make it easy for you. And yeah. So anyway, if it's your property or if it's a rental property that you're getting ready to rent, or if you're renting and you don't want to wait on the maintenance, even though if you're renting a property, I would say just call the landlord or the maintenance company and have them do it. There's no point in you doing this, but it's just good to know that you can do this, and it's pretty simple. So anyway, to get your hand up there, you probably need like a longer screwdriver. It's kind of far up, and it's kind of difficult to get under. You gotta get halfway into that cabinet and then put your hand all the way up there. So yeah. Anyway, like I said, if you're renting, just call the maintenance company, the landlord, have them send a plumber over there or maintenance to tighten everything up for you. But again, it's good to know just in case. So I hope this helps. All right, you guys, you can take a look. This is now doesn't move, solid, and it's fixed. So that's what it is, and completely understandable. Like, not, it's kind of tough to figure out, like, how do you tighten this piece? Well, now you know. It's just underneath. Kind of a hassle to get under the sink, especially with cabinets and stuff, and couldn't even take my camera into there while I was screwing it, tightening it up. But that's okay. Now you guys know how to do it. It's not that big of a deal. You always just look underneath. That's where it's at. Okay? And that's it. So I hope this has helped you. And I try to make these videos as short as possible, because it's not, don't need to drag these on. Alright, you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.